Have you ever heard the stereotype that girls aren't good at math? It's a harmful notion that can significantly impact outcomes, turning into a self-fulfilling prophecy. Stereotypes like this create barriers to success by shaping expectations. When girls are repeatedly told they aren't good at math, they may start to believe it. This belief can lead to lower confidence, reduced effort, and ultimately poor performance. Research shows that awareness of a negative stereotype about one's group can cause anxiety and stress, leading to decreased performance, a phenomenon known as stereotype threat. For instance, if a girl is reminded of the stereotype before taking a math test, her performance might suffer not because of lack of ability, but due to the added pressure and doubt. These stereotypes are not only damaging, but also inaccurate. A notable study by Still and Aronson in 1995 demonstrated the impact of stereotype threat on African American students. When these students were told that a test was a measure of their intellectual ability, they performed worse than their white counterparts. However, when the test was presented as a simple problem-solving task, the performance gap closed significantly. This study highlights how negative racial stereotypes can undermine academic performance by inducing stress and self-doubt. So here's the challenge. How do we have conversations around inequities related to race, gender, religion, and sexual orientation without triggering self-fulfilling prophecies? Recently, my team was engaged to consult on a multi-$100 million remodel of an entire college campus. This campus serves thousands of students, many from remote islands and villages. The challenge was to design a campus that inspired leadership. We partnered with architects and designers to reimagine every inch of that campus, creating natural opportunities for connection, inspiration, and leadership. When we talked with campus faculty and leaders, they always focused on the potential of these students and the impact they would have when they returned to their villages. They spent very little time talking about their deficiencies. It didn't matter that many of these students had never been on a plane or worn a pair of shoes before coming to campus, because their past was not being used to hinder their progress. We are all highly susceptible to our environments, and our focus and performance are influenced by the words, actions, and expectations of others. While I don't pretend to have solutions to all of the world's inequities, I believe we would all benefit from being reminded of our enormous value and potential, rather than focusing on our deficiencies. For leaders and choice architects, understanding stereotype threat is crucial. By fostering inclusive environments that highlight strengths rather than deficiencies, you can enhance performance and drive better outcomes. Frame challenges as opportunities for growth and emphasize the unique contributions of each individual. This approach not only mitigates the negative effects of stereotypes, but also encourages a culture of continuous learning and resilience.